All right, I have a really cool tumbler. Is it purple? Is it blue? Who knows? It actually kind of changes color depending on the light hitting it, which is really cool. This is a stainless steel tumbler with a plastic handle so that it's gonna keep your hot drinks hot and your cool drinks cool. And then that plastic handle will be nice so that your hand's not gonna be too cold or too hot. It has a solid base to it as well. So when it's sitting down flat, it's not easy to tumble over. It also comes with a stainless steel straw, so you can use this straw to drink out of, and it gives you a couple of these silicone bendy bits for the straw, so you can put that on the top of the straw and drink it like as a bendy straw there. It's nice and silicone, easy to wash and clean. Even the straw comes with a little straw cleaner. That way you can just put this in the stainless steel straw and you can clean it out just in case you get something stuck in there. You have a regular lid to this that just easily pops on, and you have the spot for your straw, but you can even cover that up and you can drink it this way. You can lift up this top part right here and drink it from there. You could put coffee in here, you could put soft drinks in here, you could put smoothies in here, no problem. It does come with another lid. And then when it's closed, you don't have to worry about it spilling, but you can pull this tab right here and now you can drink from it. It's open and easy to use. Close it and now it won't spill. So it gives you a bunch of options, and again, a really high quality tumbler. I love this thing, and I love the color of it too. It just really pops, really fun, and yeah, I highly recommend this. I love this thing. I use it every day, and thanks for watching.